Hello lovely people, welcome back to yet another video. In my previous video I talked about how to use Microsoft Editor to check the similarity of your work against online sources which you can use for the plagiarism checking of your work. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use the same editor feature to improve upon the clarity, conciseness, formality, vocabulary, grammar, spellings of your work. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into it. Open up your work in Word, go to the Home tab, Editor, click on it. It opens this side panel. So from here you can see we have what suggestions for grammar, clarity, conciseness, formality is checked. We have inclusiveness, vocabulary, so you can adjust all these things to improve what the overall writing of your work. So we have our work in what formality. So what you just do is to accept this what corrections. If you review it and it feels better. Now we have grammar. It says what it is best to add a comma with this type of adverb. So it says we should add comma after the maintenance. So what you just do is to read the suggestion, then if you think you accept what they're trying to say, just click on it, then it adjusts your work. Simple as that. Now this is very good whether you are an academic, you are writing academic papers, you are a student, you are a professional in the field, we all write. And then this will help you improve the overall clearness of your writing, and it also makes your work clean. So now we are on conciseness, and it says what you can just change despite the fact that even though, then this ultimately increase. You can just unnecessary and expression unnecessary lengthy work. So all you have to do is just change it to an increase, and that is very simple. And then this is very good. If this is your first time of coming across any of my videos, this is Bankstech. Please do well to subscribe to my channel as we'll be dropping more and more interesting videos on Microsoft Office suite. We also do videos on PC tapes, tricks, internet browsing, and then a lot of things. So please do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and as always, follow for more.